Hi friends, Gretchen here, Possum Fun and Frugal. I wanted to jump on here and give a little introduction since this part of the video series doesn't have an introduction because I'm just breaking it down into sections or parts. This part didn't have, me opening up with what I was doing next. So follow along the video, Possum Fun and Frugal. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit the subscribe and hit the like button, and please watch the video all the way through. Sorry, I have a phone call on hold, and I may be on hold for several hours, so I'm checking to see if they might have come online. So if you are following along this video series, I've been making furniture for my minivan out of cardboard. Cardboard, right? Crazy, weird, but it's working. And I was skeptical at first. I didn't know if it was going to work, but I'm super excited about how it's turned out. And so I wanted to share with you, trying to find my words here, the process and how I did it. A lot of it's missing because there were times I couldn't film. There were other reasons I couldn't film at the time. So just bear with me, but there should be plenty to see sort of how it evolved into furniture from just basic random boxes and pieces of cardboard, and I just let my brain, my creative mind go and figured it out along the way. I had to make some modifications. And I think the second part you can see that I had to go out of town, or the third part, not sure which one now, but at some point I had a last minute request to go help my grandson because he had surgery, and so I had to speed up. I had two choices: to put my old setup back in or just finish the cardboard cabinets. So I tried to hurry up and do it, so they didn't come out as good as I wanted them to, but they're pretty darn good. And I keep coming up with new ideas, but I'm not sure that I want to spend even any money doing them, because even cardboard stuff, I have to get contact paper and tape and other things that make it look nice, and I'm so strapped right now that I don't even want to. That's how frugal I have to be right now, that I'm deciding whether to even do any more projects because of my finances. So if there's any way you all can just subscribe and like and help share my channel, help me get recognized more on YouTube, I would really appreciate it. It really would help me out. I've had some finances cut lately. It was hard enough before, but now things have gotten more. They've cut back more of my medical care and my food stamps. I'm living on very little. So if you can help me out with supporting this channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And for those of you who are, I so appreciate you. My 320 subscribers, you are what's keeping me going, keeping me motivated to even do this anymore. I've had times when I've thought about giving up, but I think of the 320 people that seem to like my channel, so I'm sticking it out for you guys and anybody else that wants to join. So please join my channel. Thank you. So you can see here that I have started painting. I went ahead and finished the cabinet, and I started painting it and created the doors the way I wanted them. I put the shelf in, And yes, I'm in the process of finishing up this cabinet and getting it ready. And there's my toilet cabinet that I'm also getting the painting started. So I've put on a second coat of paint, and now I've started on the top, which I completed making the top. Now I'm painting it, and there's another coat on the toilet cup. And here it is again with now the third coat of paint, and I changed the color just a little bit. I didn't really like the blue, so I mixed it with some other colors. Came out with this sort of strange pinkish color. You can see it a little better on here. But I've got several coats on there now. And now I've put a coating of varnish on all of it to try to protect it more from moisture. So it's just about ready. And here is the start of the bottom section of my clothing cabinet that I'll be making, but I won't be able to finish that till later. So we're in the van, and here is the toilet seat, the toilet cabinet, and I have the lid over here. There's the lid that will go inside here when it's in use. These are the cabinets. I still have to put handles and the top. Right now I'm attaching these two pieces with some 3M Velcro. This is a heavy duty 3M. So we're gonna do that now. And I'll be back to show you the next steps. So we're back in the van, and I have just received my little latches that go on my cabinet. So there, my cabinets have the latches. And they just open like that, and I can pull it out. But I'm letting it set. I don't want to pull it yet because it just locks on like that. So I won't have stuff falling out. Some stuff unsticking there. There. My cabinet is, so I have some more paper. I'm going to do the countertop like a marbly countertop. It's going to look nice. So we're still working on that. And I won't need a trash can, so now I have a porta potty / trash can. So I can just throw my garbage in there too. So it's great. And I need to make a bit of a backdrop for this. And I gotta move this stuff all out of the way. Yeah, so we continue. Okay, so we've got the cabinet done. Latches are on. There is the countertop. I don't have to worry about spills. It looks so nice. This is the stuff I was waiting for to come in the mail. And this is really a great touch. Almost looks like a real granite or formica or whatever you want to say countertop. I can cook up here. I can wash, clean. I think I might put the water here when I get the backdrop. So I'm going to make a backdrop that goes all the way up and over and down. And I'm not sure. I think I might create a lip here, a little lip here. But more to come. So stay in touch. So here is the latches, and now I should be ready to use them, and I can just open my cabinet and take out what I need. Get my drawers. Oh, that's sticking there. I have to tape that again. There's my drawer for food. And I guess I could put some more stuff on either side. It would hold it in place. But then I can open this one, and I have more food supplies down in there, and some more room for the rest. And those latch on like that. Oh, and now they won't come open when I'm driving. Excellent. There's my cabinet. And I still have some floor space, and I have a little bit of an idea how to bring my bed back a little. I don't know. I think it's going to be fine like that. I think it's okay the way it is. It gives me just enough space for my feet and my knees. I don't have to lean too far forward, which is good for me and my back. Now on to the next project. This, I'm hoping, will go behind my seat, or behind the seat and between the seat and the bed, in place of the shelf that I have there now. And I'm trying to incorporate the water, my other water jug here. So I should be able to get it in and out. I may have to cut a little more off this little area here. And then I can put things down in there and in there. Then I have a perfect box to go over it, so I don't even have to paint that one because that's going to be hidden inside another box. So watch and see. So I did a thing yesterday. I'm sorry I did not share. Some things aren't sticking too well. I may have to add some more tape. I built what I'm calling a water table. And I was in a bit of a hurry because I may have to shoot up to my daughter's in Oregon. My grandson may be having surgery, and I need to go up and help. And, well, he is having surgery. We just don't know when yet. So here is my quickly made. You can see, it's hard to see, but I wanted to hurry up and get it done and in here. But you can see my water. I wanted to figure out how to incorporate my 3-gallon water jug. It's in here. I've got a funnel to fill it so I don't have to take it out, but in case I do, I cut it so that I could take it out. I put all my cooking, my little electric stove and extra supplies. Cooking supplies are down here, my teapot. You'll see more of that in down later in the video when I get some lighting going. And I kind of threw things in here, so I want to organize it a little more. I just put this in here because I figured I could mold it around the water thing. I do have a spout that I can put on there if I need to get water out of there. Primarily I use that, but when that gets empty, then I can have that, and I'll use a small 1-gallon jug most of the time to fill that. That saves me the backache that I don't need. I'm trying to figure out how to modify this van so it's more user-friendly for me and my chronic pain and fibromyalgia. So so it has a nice little cover like my countertop here. That's all done. And I took down the curtain that I had up here. It was for bathroom, and this is now kitchen. So probably hang some more stuff up there and hang some stuff maybe from light stuff from the edge here. And this will be my new kitchen area, kitchen light. And this stuff, I have to put my other cabinets up. So I'll have a cabinet here for bathroom and a cabinet there for more bedroom stuff. And of course I'm keeping my shade curtain and it can stay back there. I have to think of lots of safety because I'm sure working with cardboard is a bit of a fire hazard. So I have to be careful. I have my trusty little fire extinguisher right there. I'm hoping to put it back over here, but I have to make sure I get the cabinet in first. It's a little messy right now, but I've loaded up all my food. Got my potty ready. I'm still trying to figure out another design to cover it for odor. But I think for now I'm just going to put a plastic bag over the top of it. I think that'll work. All right. Stay tuned. More to come. And I'll show you. There's the side of my water station covered in contact paper and this what I'm calling my countertop paper. So it's easy to clean and won't absorb spills. And I have plastic lining the bottom of this to in case there's any leaks from the bottle, because sometimes that happens. You get water down there. So I'm trying to make sure all the bases are covered. And I have some things hanging here. Okay, stay tuned. More to come. Okay, now I've added a curtain. So you can just push that aside to get what I need. These are more in reach. It's an extra thing for water. You can fill that up. Nice and lightweight.